What's up, everybody? Andrew Vose, mega icon team leader out of Florida and Colorado. It's a beautiful morning here in Navarre, Florida. Look at that view. Just wanted to come over here, kind of talk to you guys a little bit about the 8 to 9 reasons why I think eXp is the best brokerage out there, why I'm still here. It's the only brokerage I've been with, and really I don't see anything competing with it in all the areas. So I'm going to just jump right into it. So eXp is really the only brokerage that allows you to build true wealth. Other brokerages allow you to build an income, but not true wealth. And what do I mean by that is we have the revenue share, not profit share, revenue share. So revenue share is pulled off the top. So everybody that comes into eXp is an 80-20 split with a 16K cap if you're an independent agent, and it teams are a little bit different, right? But everybody's on an 80-20 split with eXp. So say I bring you into eXp, that is considered a level 1 sponsee. I attract you to eXp and you close a deal with eXp. 20% goes to eXp. That is how I get paid off my revenue share. Now, there's a difference between revenue share and profit share. Profit share is paid for after all expenses are paid. Revenue share is paid off the top and then expenses are paid. So there's a big difference there. So with the future coming and the uncertainty, true wealth is that should be in the forefront of your mind, trying to build that through real estate, passive income, crypto. There's a lot of stuff that you could be doing, but if you're going to be building your real estate business, why not build wealth while you're doing it and not just build an income? Second reason is the icon program. The amount of talent that we are attracting here at eXp is through the roof. I mean, just to name a few, Kyle Whistle, Mike Sherrard. There's just so many people that have tremendous talent that are here at eXp. And they are very smart people. So the icon program is that you cap at a $16,000 cap, 80-20 split, and you cap at the 16,000. Then you do 20 more units after that. And what they do is they give you the opportunity to get your $16,000 back in company stock. Our stock has done pretty well over the years, So that's a reward. So most companies just give you a plaque or a little trophy or something like that. But here, they allow you to participate in the stock program through that and reward the top producers in the company. So there's other stock programs stock programs that there's the agent equity program. So you can put 5% of all your stock into buying the stock at 10% off, and then you attract someone to eXp. Some people don't like the word recruit, but recruit, whatever, all the brokerages are recruiting. So then you attract someone to eXp, you get stock. You close your first deal for the year, you get stock. They get stock as well. You cap at a 16K cap, you get stock. So then when number 1 and number 2 and 3 are the big components of building that. So the only company that allows you to build true wealth is through the revenue share and the stock program. So we also have kvCORE, that is an amazing CRM that's built into that. It's fully customizable, all that jazz. So 50 plus hours of training a week done by the top agents in the world. So with your local franchises or your independent and your mom and pop brokerages, you have great trainers, but they may not still be in the business. They may have done real estate 20 years ago, 2 years ago, blah, blah, blah. Well, things have changed since then. What's cool about the world is we have 600 employees that are working for you that you don't have to pay for. That is extremely expensive. So that the company pays for out of their 50%, because 50% of all the revenue they make goes back to the agents. 50% is for operating costs, which is incredible, right? So the training calendar, in order to train with eXp, you have to be a top producer at the company, icon agent. So just you can pop in there, go farming, lead gen, all that jazz. And I can share the eXp calendar with you if you would like, and you can go in and free pass and check it out and go get some training. And whether you come to eXp or not, you get 7 to 10 days to try it out and go from there. But you have to be a top producer to train here. So that's great. And you get the training all around the world. Instead of just having the hyper local training, pop in there, say, okay, some top producer out of Oregon, California, Colorado are training that day. You get to go in there from Florida and learn their tips and tricks and apply it to your business. It's amazing. So workplace and the cloud. So Workplace by Facebook, we have a great partnership with Facebook, and it allows us to collaborate and get referrals through there and learn and training and stuff like that. And then the cloud is just, we have our major events there, smaller trainings, we have our accounting, transactions, all that stuff is right in there. So staff there to support you. I built my first year in real estate was 3.5 years ago, and I built most of my business through referrals, through Workplace. I noticed that there was less than 100 agents in Colorado Springs at that time. I really used that to build my business, get my name out there and stuff like that. And then with our organization, we have tons of kvCORE training, social media training. I will personally train you on all the tips and tricks I use for our training to build our business, for client nurture, social media posting, and all that. And then one other thing, if you do 5 million in volume or more, I will introduce you to our marketing program that we use that helps you nurture, stay in front of your past and future clients. That way you're getting repeat business year after year, year after year. And then you can become the rainmaker and potentially create a modern team or a traditional team, whatever you prefer. So I'd love to partner with you. If you had a bad experience at eXp before or don't know much about it, that's in the past. Very transparent. The company has come a long way, and the company is the fastest growing company in the world right now, with attracting some of the top talent around the world. We're in 20 countries. We're just keep opening them up. So I'd love to partner with you. Shoot me a DM. I'm definitely going to keep this private. So if you shoot me a message, it won't go anywhere besides you and I. So love to chat with you. Make today great. And if you're ever in Florida, North Florida, come out. I'd love to share this view with you guys. Yeah, let's crush it.